Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step on how you can make these custom birth stat elephants. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I do is I measure the elephant's ears, which is 4 inches high by about 2¼ inches wide. The actual elephant itself, if you're curious, came from Amazon and is linked below. We also have a gray version too. So lots of different options. But once I know the size of the ears, I jump into Cricut Design Space with the baby's birth stats, and I go ahead and make a design from there. Now, if you don't want to make your own design, you can go to like creativefabrica.com, which you see here, and you can use templates there. If you're interested in the membership there, I have that linked below, but you don't have to have a membership to get a template, and you don't have to have a template. You can make your own in Cricut Design Space. So you do whatever works for you. But once you do it and you have your information loaded, you're going to go ahead and click Make It, and you're going to take it to your Cricut and print it off with the vinyl colors of your choice. So here you see me doing just that, printing off the different colors. I do want to make sure to mention that you need to mirror it, as it is heat transfer vinyl that we're using on these ears. Here I'm just again using the other color, so I'm using both pink and white for this elephant. The next step is then to just weed everything that you printed off. Once you have everything weeded, we are going to move on to applying it to the elephant. So before I start applying to the elephant, I want to show you what I'm using. I'm using the Cricut mini press today. I have used an iron in the past, and it's much harder to do as it does tend to squish the elephant's face. So I highly recommend the Cricut mini press if you are going to do a lot of these. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing here. It's really quick and easy to heat up. I just go ahead and take the elephant, and then I start laying out my design like I would like it to be on the elephant. And then I start pressing one element at a time. And as you can see, this is the final one for this ear. So the M is completed, like so. And now what I'll do is I'll move on to the other side of the ear. And this ear is a little more challenging because it's a lot of smaller vinyl work. But I just take it a piece at a time and do small short presses, as you see me doing here. Now, sometimes you will encounter where it just doesn't quite stick right. You'll go to peel back that top layer at the transfer sheet and do so slowly. And if it doesn't stick completely, just go ahead and retake your little Cricut mini press and press again. As you see here, I hold it at different angles because I find that that helps me sometimes get into like the crease of the ear where it folds. And voila, the top section is done. So now I'm going to move on and just keep working on the rest of the information for this ear. And here is the final product. As you can see, they are truly one of a kind, beautiful custom gifts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.